Okay, hello everyone. So first off, let's make sure that we are facing the right side of the board. It should say music dry erase slate on top, and it got a lot of lines. And then once you have that side in front of you, you're gonna draw a line in the middle of each step. So you should have 3 lines, okay, right in the middle of each step. When you're done with this, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, after that, we're gonna have to draw 3 treble clef at the beginning of each step. And I'm gonna teach you how to draw a treble clef. So let's flip the board. First thing that you do is you draw a letter J, and then you can do this with me, copy me, and then a little half moon, and a letter G. Okay, let's try that one more time. Letter J, half moon to the right, and a letter G. Now, if you forget the instruction, in front of you on the whiteboard, there's also instruction that you can look at and use that as a model. So once you've done practicing treble clef, you're gonna have to flip it back and then draw a small, tiny treble clefs, 3 of them, at the beginning of each step, just like how I did it right here. It needs to be small, okay, to fit in each step. So 3 treble clefs. Once you're done with that, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, now you can see that we have 6 measures. Measure 1, measure 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They kind of look like a window, right? There are 6 of them, and these are 6 measures to work with. Can you all get your pointy finger out, and we're gonna count together, okay? So here's measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 measures. And each measure needs to be filled in with a rhythm pattern. So I'm gonna walk, and these rhythm pattern is right behind you on the whiteboard. And there are 16 rhythm pattern that you can choose from. So what I'm gonna do is, let's say I have chosen a pattern 1, which is ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Then I'm gonna copy this and paste it on my measure 1 on the board. So I'm gonna draw it out, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Now notice how this pattern is all like in a line, but this goes like up and down. This is what I want. So the music sounds more interesting. It has highs and lows. It is still the same pattern, but some notes lift higher than the other, and this is exactly what I want. So I copy the whole pattern of number 1 to measure 1. Now for measure 2, let's say I want to do pattern number 6, which is ta, rest, ta, rest. So now I'm going to do ta, rest, and then maybe this ta can live up here, ta, rest. Now please make sure whatever you do, if it's a line note, the note head must take up only one line, one space of a line. If it's a space note, it only takes up 1 space. Okay, it can't be like big or too tiny. It needs to be visible if it's a space note or a line note. So you go ahead and do that for all 6 measures. Now some of the rhythm patterns you may not recognize what they are. In that case, you just skip it. Don't even try. Only do the patterns that you already know and that you have already learned in Miss Kim's music class. So you're gonna start from measure 1, and then once you're done with all 6 measures, give me a thumbs up, and then I will come to you and I will see if I can play it on the piano. And this is your music, and it's gonna be fun. Okay, thank you.